Manfaat belajar bahasa Inggris untuk anak usia dini. 1. Meningkatkan kecerdasan anak. 2. Membangun ketertarikan untuk belajar. 3. Peluang pendidikan dan karir di masa depan. Dan masih banyak lagi.
Hola, hola, hello, good evening everyone. Okay, we are going to play some games today. And would you like to introduce yourself to us first? Would you like to introduce first? What is your name?
My name is Princess.
Alright, how to spell princess?
P-R-I-N-C-E-S-S.
That's great, princess. Wow, that's a beautiful name. And what about you?
My name is Sunflower.
How to spell sunflower?
F-L-O-W-E-R.
Yeah, that's sunflower. S-U-N-F-L-O-W-E-R. What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is ramen.
Wow, that's yummy. How to spell ramen?
R-A-M-E-N.
That's cool. What about you, sunflower?
My favorite food is hot dog.
It's hot dog. Oh, that's great. Wow, that's yummy food. What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
How to spell pink?
P-I-N-K.
Pinky, Pinky, Pinky. Like your sister name, Pinky, Pinky, and Pinky. What about you, sunflower? What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is pink.
Wow. So the two of you favorite color is pink, 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 and pink. Okay. All right. So do you have any favorite movie? What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is Frozen.
Frozen. So it's like in ice. Frozen. And anything else? Just Frozen or any other movie?
Elementary.
Elementary. Oh, okay. That's cool. That's cool. But what about you?
My favorite movie is Barbie.
Barbie, the beautiful Barbie. All right. So, how old are you now?
9.
9. How to spell 9?
N-I-N-E.
Cool. What about you? How old are you, sunflower?
My old is 9.
9 years old.
Yes.
9 years old. How to spell 9?
N-I-N-E.
Wow, that's great. That's spelling bee, spelling bee. Would you like to do some contest of spelling bee? No? No. Okay. So, what the color of the hair? What's your color? What's your hair color? Black. How to spell black?
E-L-A-C-K.
All right. So it's like your scarf. It's black or dark blue? It's black, right? Dark blue. Oh, so dark blue. How to spell blue?
B-L-U-E.
Enough. It's blue already. All right. So, is there any favorite drink? What's your favorite drink?
Juice.
Juice. All right. What juice? Any juice? Any juice or specific juice?
Juice. Mango juice.
Mango juice. How to spell mango?
M-A-N-G-O.
What's the color of mango?
Yellow.
Yellow. Is it sweet? All right. So what about you? What's your favorite fruit?
Milk.
Milk. Milk. All right. How to spell milk?
M-I-L-K.
That's great. Wow. So, is there any snack that you love to eat?
Potato chips.
Potato chips. Okay, what about you?
Potato chips.
Alright, both of you looks like a twins because your favorite snack, same. Your favorite color, same too, pink. And what else? Oh yeah, what grade are you now? You're on the grade?
3.
Both of you in the same grade? Grade 3. How to spell 3?
3. T H R E E.
That's great. Alright, so I think that's all for today. We might have a chat later at the same time in the same place here at the party. So thank you for your time and bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.